You can't just drive up there and get tested. You have to go through a process, meaning there'll be a site you go to online, you tell the folks your symptoms, and they'll give you an appointment to drive up. And this is probably for people who are really sick.
With at least 78 cases of coronavirus reported in Newark and over 100 police and firefighters in quarantine or feeling flu-like symptoms, Newark's mayor is asking residents in these 3 areas to stay indoors unless you must go out in an emergency or for an essential need. A citywide curfew of 8 p.m. remains in place. Today, Newark announced $6 million in municipal aid will be dispersed to small businesses, nonprofits, and property owners. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy asked today if he sees businesses reopening on the horizon.
We just don't see that in the near term.
New Jersey's total cases jumped to over 4,400 statewide today. The death toll now stands at 62. The state's health commissioner provided this forecast.
We know that we're slightly behind New York, and our trends are tracking our neighbors. Cases of COVID-19 in New York State are rising exponentially. And Governor Cuomo has shared that they expect their peak in the next 14 to 21 days. Our exponential growth rate, based on the number of positive cases reported daily, is similar in northern New Jersey. So when we see this peak in New York, I think we can expect Bergen, Essex, and Hudson counties will follow the trend.
To prepare for the projected surge in 2 to 3 weeks, the state said the first of 4 federal field hospitals will go up at Meadowlands Exposition Center in Secaucus as early as next week. The governor signed an executive order today pertaining to child care for frontline workers. All daycares statewide must now solely serve the children of essential workers if they want to stay open during this crisis. They must notify the state by Friday or shut down by next Wednesday. Counties may name some schools to reopen as emergency child care centers for essential workers.
We are taking this step for a simple reason. We need all of our frontline workers on the job, helping us to get through this emergency. A lack of child care cannot be a barrier for them or our response